Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Sonic the Hedgehog. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Let's start off by drawing the nose. Let's draw a curve up, and then back around like this. Now from the right side, let's curve it up and back down. Now let's do the same thing on the left, but we're going to extend it out further, curve it down, and then bring it to meet the other side. Next, inside on the left, let's add the mouth. Let's start with a small curve here. And then from the center, a curve down towards the right. Let's draw the eyes next. Next, above the nose, let's hop up, leave a gap, and then we're going to draw a curve down, back up, over, and back down. Now hop back to the center, and we're going to draw another U-curve down, up, and stop here on the top right. Now for this line, let's step in, and we're going to draw a long curve back down. Let's draw the eyes inside next. Above the nose here, let's draw a curve, and then another curve to the right. Now inside the eye, let's draw a small curve in the top left. Next, let's move over to the left and draw the other pupil with a long oval. And then add a smaller oval inside in the top left. Next, let's color both eyes in black. Now above the left eye, let's draw a curve. And let's move over to the right eye, and we're going to draw a curve above as well, but we're going to bring it all the way back down towards the mouth. Now above this line, let's draw the top of the head with a large curve up and over to the left. And then at the end, a diagonal line back in. Next, let's start inside, and we're going to draw another curved spike out towards the left and then back in like this. And then one more underneath. Curving it back in, and we're going to stop here, leaving a small gap for the body. Let's draw the ears next. Above the left eye here, let's draw a curved V shape up and back down. And then erase the headline inside. Now underneath this line, let's draw another curved V shape up, and then close off the bottom to form a triangle shape. Now let's move over to the right side, and we're going to draw the other ear with a curve out and back in. And then the same thing inside. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. Underneath the head on the left side where we left that gap, let's start here, and we're going to draw a large oval curve down and back up. And now inside on the right, let's draw the belly with another curve here. Let's draw the left arm next. Inside on the body, let's draw a curve like this. Now for the top of the line, let's curve it down and out. And then at the end, a line back up. Now from the bottom line, let's curve it down, curving it back up at the elbow, like this. And then erase the body line inside the arm. Let's draw his hand and glove next. At the end here, let's draw a diagonal line across. And then curve it up at either end. Now above this line, let's start inside and we're going to draw a curve out and up like this. And the same thing on the other side. Now in the center, let's draw a line across for the bottom of the hand. From the right side, let's angle it up now and curve it back around for the thumb. And then on the other side, we're going to angle it out and back in for the pinky finger. And then another curve at the end. Next, let's erase that hairline inside the hand. Now let's add 2 more bent fingers in the gap between the pinky and the thumb. So we're going to curve it up and back down like this. And then one more tucked under the thumb. Now let's draw his last finger pointing up with a curve up and back down. And then erase those lines inside the finger. And lastly, let's add some folds on the palm of the hand like this. And that's it for the left arm and hand. Let's draw the other side now. Let's move over to the right side of the body and we're going to draw a bent line down like this. And then another one underneath this one. Now across the bottom, let's draw a curved line. And then another curve behind the arm above it like this. Then leave a gap and one smaller curve on the left side. And now let's finish off this part of the glove with a rounded rectangle shape underneath. Let's add the hand next. On the outside, let's draw a curve down and out. And the same thing towards the left, but then we're going to curve it back up like this. And then add one more small curve here for the other side of the finger. And that's it for the right side. Now let's draw the legs next. Underneath the body here, let's draw 2 curved lines down. And then an angled curve across the bottom. Now from behind the leg, let's draw a curve out and down, and the same thing on the right. Now let's connect these lines with a curve across. Now from the bottom left, let's draw a curve down. And then a shorter one on the right. And now a curve to connect these lines. Let's draw the foot now. On the left side, let's draw a curve down. And now draw the top of the foot with an angled line. Now connect the lines at the bottom to form a pointed foot. And then inside, we're going to draw 2 curves across the shoe. Now let's draw the other leg and foot behind this one now. Let's move back to the body on the left side and we're going to draw a bent line down and in like this. And the same thing next to it on the left. above the inside of the leg here, let's draw a curve up and down, closing that small gap. And then another curve above this one. Next, above this line, let's draw a curve over to the leg, and then on the other side, we're going to curve it down. Now let's draw the bottom of the shoe. Between the leg and the hand here, let's draw a curve across. And then underneath the hand, a curve down to the other foot. And lastly, 2 curves across the inside of the shoe here. And that's it for the legs and feet. The last thing we're going to do is draw 2 more spikes on his back now. Let's start between the body and his left hand, and we're going to draw a curve. And then continue it down and back up to his arm. Now hop down slightly above the leg, and we're going to draw 1 more smaller point out and back in. And that's it for Sonic. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!